Okay, we're going to talk about feeding our starter. Now I have some 100% starter here, and I just used it to make up some mother dough. So I'm going to go ahead and feed it, and I'm going to feed it a lot because I'm planning to use it later this afternoon. So by that time it will be very vigorous because it will have been within 6 to 8 hours of being fed. You have to realize though that if you're not going to bake with it, you would pour out more of this to where there's just a little bit on the bottom and feed it more, because the less starter and the more food means your starter will last longer. And the more starter and the less food, then it won't last as long, and you're basically not feeding your starter enough. So you gauge it on what you're planning to do with it. I'm baking this afternoon, so I'm going to feed it quite a bit right now. I think we'll do 120 grams of flour and 120 grams of water. Just a little more. There we go. So that gives me 240 grams to be used in my baking this afternoon. So I'll stir that up really good, pop on the lid, and then just leave it at room temperature. Get plenty of oxygen incorporated to boost the activity. Although starters are anaerobic and they don't need oxygen, it does help boost the fermentation activity. There, now I like to use the Cambro 2-liter containers. They're perfect for cleaning out, for feeding, for actually getting into and taking care of your starter. You can use any container that is food grade safe though, anything that works for you. There, now we're done feeding the starter, and in 6 to 8 hours it will be ready to use.